Peeps, up, and in. Welcome back to Andine's TV in Andine's Kitchen. If it's your first time stopping by, up, and in. To Andine's OGs, up, and stand in. Today, we've got a super nutritious and healthy salad for you. Kale and chickpea salad. Perfect for any meal, lunch or dinner. It's packed with protein, fibers, and a ton of flavors. If you're trying to eat clean or just love healthy salad, this one is a must try. Let's dive in and get started. Peeps, these are the ingredients for our delicious salad. Kale, everything is organic. Feta cheese, bell peppers, salt and Celtic salt and cayenne pepper, and the coconut oil. I am going to grill my peppers. As you can see, they're going right there. I have my sunflower seed. Looking beautiful, the ingredients, healthy and delicious. I have here my mustard and balsamic vinegar. So those are for the dressing. I have my beautiful basil, tomato, feta cheese, and of course the kale salad. So on the grill here, as you can see, I'll be grilling my bell peppers. Very hot, looking very nice. For me, I like to use fresh vegetable over the canned vegetable or the vegetables in the jar, because in the jar they're gonna have some kind of preservative or something. For my beautiful kales, I am going to, some people take it off the stalk, but I'm gonna cut it with the stalk, and I'm gonna blanch it a little here for some seconds or so and then take out. And the most important ingredient is the chickpeas. I bought dried chickpeas and I soaked them overnight. I rinsed them, and this is fresh water on it. As you see, it still has a little bit of foam on it, but fresh. And the chickpeas is packed with a bunch of minerals, vitamins, proteins. It's so good for your body, so healthy, and for overall health. As you see here, I got my peppers, my bell peppers, all grilled up. I didn't use any oil because I'm trying to keep it as healthy as possible. So see, you get the same results, no oil. So I'm going to transfer them to the bowl for cooling, and then they're going to be sliced. So here we have our beautiful kale. As you see, it kind of look white. I don't know if something is on it, I don't know, but I bought organic. I didn't wash them because I'm gonna steam them. I'm gonna dip them in hot water, so anything that's on them is gonna come off, so I'm gonna give them some nice cut, and you keep moving back as you cut. I'm gonna cool it down. Pressure our chickpeas, which should be done very fast because it's been soaked overnight. So here you have it, covering it. So in the blender, we'll be combining our coconut oil. The recipe suggests olive oil, but I am using the oil of my choice, which is coconut oil. You can use the choice of oil that you like. This is balsamic vinegar and mustard, Dijon mustard. And some Celtic salt, a teaspoon of Celtic salt and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can use the salt and pepper of your choice as well. We're gonna blend to combine or emulsify.
And there you have it, guys. That's the dressing, ready and good to go.
So love God family, here we are combining our salad. The kale, the roasted pepper, and our garbanzo beans or chickpeas, otherwise called chickpeas. So I'm just lifting them up and getting them fully combined. I'm gonna add my dressing. And do the same, and then top with sunflower seed.
Peeps, as per the recipe, which you guys will be able to find down in the comment section, should in case you want to try this amazing kale and chickpea salad. As for the chickpeas, when we weighed out our chickpeas, we weighed out 2 cups of dry chickpeas. So when the chickpeas was fully cooked, it was a little bit too much, so we end up just getting 2 cups of the cooked chickpeas, which would be the correct amount. Just wanted to let you guys know.
Topped with sunflower seed. Beautiful. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think. Beautiful. And we are gonna make sure we go and heat it, because every good chef enjoy what they eat. So here we are enjoying our beautiful, healthy, delicious salad. So good. You can taste all the flavors cutting through. So good. Very delicious, guys. Very, very delicious and healthy. Please make this salad and leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thank you. And that is it. Our kale and chickpea salad is ready to enjoy. It's fresh, it's filling, and so very easy to make. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Up, up, and out till next time.